everyone, I'm Shashi and welcome all of you to the Hinglish Hub. Guys, thank you very much for watching my videos and subscribing me. Today, I'm going to talk about how to use these Bollywood songs to improve our language skills. I think the best way to learn Hindi as a foreign language is through Hindi songs. Therefore, today I'm going to use another iconic Bollywood song to identify the nouns of the Hindi language. If you are ready, then let's get started! There are lots of different ways of teaching and learning languages. But I think listening to the songs is the best way to learn a language. When I talk about myself, since my childhood, I fell in love with Bollywood songs. And especially, I was really into the old Hindi songs. Through those songs, I could learn a lot of Hindi words. And when we listen to these songs over and over, we can encounter a lot of new words daily. And at the end of the day, without any special effort, we can memorize a lot of new words. Therefore, I think listening to the songs is the best way to boost your vocabulary. In a previous video, we discussed how to identify the numbers in Hindi with using the Hindi song Ek Do Teen. Today, I'm going to talk about some Hindi nouns. For this purpose, I prefer the most iconic Hindi song Koi Ladki Hai Jab Wo Hasti Hai from the movie Dil To Pagal Hai. You can get the link of the song below at the description box. Before we go to the lesson, you can listen to the song right now. Friends, what are the words or the nouns you could find over here? Yes, I know that there are some words which we have already learned. So, it will be helpful for you to understand the meaning of the song. Right, the first word or the noun which we can identify in this song is Ghoda. Ghoda. Ghoda means horse. Ghoda. The next noun is Hathi. Hathi. Hathi means elephant. Next word is Ladka. Ladka. I know that you already know the meaning of this word. But still, Ladka means boy. The next word is Ladki. Ladki means girl. The next word is Barish. Barish means rain. Then Barsat. Barsat means rainy season. Next word, Badal. Badal means clouds. And we can get the Sanskrit word also here. That is Megh. Megh again means clouds. The next word is Mausam. Mausam means weather. Then Ambar. Ambar, sky. The next word is Tufan. Tufan means storm. Tufan. Next noun is Ghar. Ghar means house. Then रास्ता, रास्ता means road. These are the simple nouns which we can identify in this song. Friends, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. At the same time, if you have any comments, you can write them below at the comment section. दोस्तों, अगर आप लोगों को मेरा ये छोटा सा वीडियो पसंद आया है तो फिर मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा और उसके साथ साथ जो बेल आइकन है वहां पे भी क्लिक कर दीजिएगा और मेरे इन वीडियोस को अपने दोस्तों में शेयर भी कर दीजिएगा। उसके साथ साथ इन सोशल मीडिया पेजेस पे भी आप लोग जा सकते हैं, वहां पे भी जाके मेरे वीडियोस पे लाइक कर सकते हैं और कमेंट भी कर सकते हैं। फ्रेंड्स, we'll meet again with another interesting video like this. तो दोस्तों, ऐसे ही एक मजेदार वीडियो के साथ फिर मिलते हैं। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।